Hi, I'm Melanie Walker. I'm the president and CEO of Suchia Group North America and TASUS Corporation. Welcome to our plant.
TASUS is located in Bloomington, Indiana. It's a city known for its landscapes, architecture, and vibrant nightlife. It's also home to Indiana University, and TASUS sits right next to Ivy Tech, putting education at your doorstep.
I'm an automation tech. I am responsible for all programming or building end of arms that hang on the robots to grab the product out of the molds and set it on the conveyor belts. Programming a robot to do specifics or communication, messing with cameras, that would be mainly my responsibility. Using my creativity, I will come up with the best way, in my opinion, of building an end of arm to grab the product out. And that's probably my favorite part, is just coming up with my own ideas and making the job my own.
I am a TPS, Environmental Health and Safety Coordinator here at TASUS. So part of my job responsibilities is the safety of everybody here. I like to take a nice little lap out on the plant floor and talk to the people. Favorite thing about the culture here is the people. With TPS, the Toyota Production System, it's kind of like a house. You got two pillars. One's continuous improvement and one's respect for people. Again, with them, it's really magical just to kind of see how they grow and start off from not even recognizing a problem to being part of the problem-solving team.
Favorite thing about the job is, number one, the variation, and then number two, the people. Going out to the plant floor and talking to all different types of personalities. It's great to get to know the people.
I came to TASUS almost 7 years ago now. Someone I'd worked with contacted me about the open position here for quality engineer, and I was very impressed with the culture and the way they took care of their people. Got the job, and here I am, and 7 years later I'm moved up within the company. My favorite thing about my job would probably be that there's never a dull moment or a boring day. There's always something going on, good or bad. There's really not a lot of time to get into a rut or a routine.
TASUS offers a range of benefits such as first-time home buyers assistance and tuition assistance.
TASUS has helped me with my first home and all my tuition so far for my bachelor's degree.
There's a lot of opportunities here. One of the first ones I took was the first-time home buyers, so that helped me get my first house up here in Bloomington. The tuition assistance as well. I've not got my degree, but I've taken several classes.
You know, I went to school for 4 years while working here, and essentially came out of school debt-free. Don't underestimate a career in manufacturing. There's several opportunities. It's not just looking at parts, inspecting. There's several different departments, whether in the technical or on the business side.
There's always a lot of opportunity. Manufacturing tends to move people around to fill a need, promote from within. So there's always an opportunity to learn something new and do something new.
I've been on an internship with TASUS for just about a year at this point. It's been a fascinating company to work for. I've learned so much, from robotic programming to CNC milling. The thing I like most about interning at TASUS is the ability to do different things every day. Monday you can come in and program a robot. Tuesday you can go out in the field and work on a tape machine. It's been incredible to meet so many amazing people who care about the same things I do.
What I love about the culture is the family atmosphere, and also the TPS culture, where everyone has a voice. Everybody's ideas are important, and the continuous improvement aspect makes TASUS a great place to work.
They take care of their people. That's one of the things that's impressed me the most since being here. Not only do they take care of their employees, they take care of the community around us. I'm always impressed every year with the number of Thanksgiving baskets that we put together, the amount of events we host for employees. It's definitely a selling point.
I heard about this place through a friend of mine and heard it was a small, family-oriented type of business, and I figured it'd be a good place to get my foot in the door at ground level, and I knew I'd have a future and be able to grow here.
To learn more about TASUS, please visit our website at www.tasus.com.